Hey guys, I'm here outside my house and you can look in and you can see that we are using grow lights and trays and everything. And we're growing, we're getting growing. Are you growing? Are you planting seeds? Are you preparing areas of your garden? Because the reality is the seeds you put in the ground now, no matter where they are, no matter how big of a space we're talking, those seeds in the ground will become plants. Those seeds in the ground are investment. They're security. I mean, this whole area, and you see how we're expanding? We're going even further. We're going all the way around the house, okay? This is all gonna be gardens. We've actually just cleared this whole area out. So wherever you are, whatever level you're at, whatever amount of seeds you got, an amount of soil you have, if it's just pots on your balcony, seeds in a tray by the window in your apartment, get growing, because the reality is when you put those seeds in the ground, when you get that food going, when you start, it just grows and then it just pulls you along and you end up growing too. You end up progressing. You end up getting that food. You end up learning. You end up in a safer, more confident and strong place. So right now, no matter if you're just starting or if you've already done a ton of work, keep going, keep growing, because that's where the abundance is found, because you create this exponential growth that just gets out of control, and suddenly you have too much squash, suddenly you have too many peppers, suddenly you have an abundance, and then that turns into food preservation, turns into sharing, turns into a business. It turns into an abundance and a new economy. So check it out, get going, get growing. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively, and I'll see you soon.